Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Molitor here. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to give a quick tip today that I sort of been trying out on different things. Every once in a while you want to build something and then you want to have some sort of maybe display stand or something. And I had thought previously I had bought a few of these. What these are kitchen organizers. They sell this at my local grocery store, Publix. They also have these at places like Ross and TJ Maxx every once in a while at a decent price. Doesn't matter what brand they are, but basically, they're wood and, kitchen organizers. But when you flip them upside down, these make a nice little landing pad for something. This is a smaller one. I had bought two bigger ones. One I'm going to use for my Star Wars Death Star run, sort of as a base for it, so I can easily carry it around. But I had bought a slightly smaller one, and the other day I came up with an amazing revelation. That right there is another one of those kitchen organizers, but this one actually fits my model paints perfectly. So I just basically hung it on the wall. And this was like 16 bucks, but actually at the grocery store one like this was $16. At I think it was TJ Maxx, or actually it was Ross, they actually had this for like $8. So instead of spending $30 on an official wooden paint thing or building one yourself, which is always possible to make it exactly the size you want, this one actually came out to be pretty nice. Now you see the one below, that one actually purchased. So amazingly, this one cost me I think 25 bucks, $30. This one only cost me like $15-16 if I recall correctly. So hey, if you see these around and you need some space, you can hang it on the wall. I put a little shim on the rear so that let me show you that. Put a shim on the rear, sort of to balance, or sort of to make sure that these don't pop out easily. Just so a little bit of gravity works there. But this, it looks like it was made for it, and I'm really happy because my paint count started to get high, and I was having paint everywhere. So I said, well, I got to put this so I know what I have, because that's happened to me before. I've bought the same paint because I didn't realize I already purchased it because I had it in another spot. So this came out pretty well. So there you go. And again, I'm going to use one of these. I have a slightly bigger one, and when I flip it upside down, I'm going to have a nice little diorama set that I'm working on. I'll give you an update on that pretty soon. All right. So that's my tip of the day. So till next time.